In this video, we are going to take a look at Google Index. There are three items: index status, content keywords, and remove URLs. Index status shows us how many pages on our site have been indexed by Google. As you can see, when you create more and more content, Google will index them and you can see a gradual increase. Sometimes you may see a sudden drop because you might have mistakenly blocking some pages on your site, or some other reason. Maybe the server was down for a substantial time, or maybe you migrated your site and then the index number dropped suddenly. So this is a very good way for us to take a look at your site from the high level and see how many pages have been indexed and if there's any issue. And in fact, if you click on advanced, you can see the breakdown. So here I have some pages using the robots.txt to block search engine robots from crawling them, because I don't want those pages to be shown on search results. So this is a very useful tool, again, for us to see how many pages have been indexed. Let's move on to content keywords. Content keywords shows us the keywords that are present on our site. And this is a very good monitoring tool, because if for some reason the content on your site changes substantially, for example, you got hacked by someone, or someone you hired to write posts are actually not doing what you asked them to do and creating content that are not relevant to the topic that you want to cover. So you can see digitalreadymarketing.com talks a lot about Google, SEO, search. We also have tools, and we have Google Webmaster Tool Guide, things like that. So these keywords are relevant. So I know by just looking at it, it seems to be doing okay. And when you click on it, you can see which URLs, which page actually contain that specific keyword that you are looking at. And there are variants, obviously, and then occurrence. So this is content keywords. It's a very nice monitoring tool. Moving on to remove URLs. Remove URLs is a tool that I can use to communicate with Google and ask them to remove certain URLs from Google search results. Now, of course, you can use robots.txt to block search engines from crawling certain parts of your site. But this tool comes in handy because sometimes you did not set robots.txt beforehand, so that Google already crawled your site and then already indexed those pages you did not want Google to show on the search results. There are also other cases where if you have any paid campaign and landing pages on your site got crawled by some reason. And ideally, you should use no index, no follow on those paid campaign pages, because if organic traffic gets to that page, they are counted as paid and that will skew your result. So you can use this remove URLs to speed up removing process of those landing pages for paid campaign. So those are the kind of ways that you can use for remove URLs. So that's it for Google Index section. And next we'll take a look at crawl section. Thank you.